In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Asana accounts. Whether you're consolidating accounts for personal use or streamlining your work processes, merging accounts in Asana can be a handy tool. Let's walk through the steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Once you're there, log into your account by entering your credentials. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage. This is the central hub where all your projects and tasks are listed. It's your command center, if you will. Now let's focus on the account settings. You'll want to locate your profile icon, which is usually situated at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll need to select Settings. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to your account settings page. This area is packed with a variety of options that allow you to manage different aspects of your Asana account. Our primary focus here is the Account section, so click on that. You'll notice a range of options pertaining to your account details. One particular feature to look out for is labeled Add New Email. This is the starting point for the merging process. Before moving forward, note that Asana might require you to re-authenticate your account for security purposes. This could mean entering your email and password again, so be prepared to do that if prompted. Once authenticated, click on Add New Email again. Here, you'll want to enter the new email address of the account you plan to merge with your current one. After typing it in, hit the Add button to move forward. Asana will send a confirmation link to the secondary email address you've just entered. It's time to hop over to your email inbox, locate the email from Asana, and click the confirmation link they've provided. This step is vital as it verifies that you are indeed the owner of both accounts and grants permission to merge them. Upon confirmation, the merge is complete. Now, you'll have the convenience of accessing your Asana account using any of the emails tied to it. However, a word of caution. Once accounts are merged, they cannot be separated. It's a permanent decision, so ensure you're entirely decided about merging before proceeding. And there you have it. You've successfully merged your Asana accounts. This will help you streamline your workflow and consolidate all your Asana experiences into a single, easily accessible account. If you found this guide helpful or have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.